The JuggerLoop Anchor system offers an all-suture customizable solution system that allows surgeons to build their own anchor suture or tape configuration within the anchor body utilizing an adjustable zip loop. The system consists of 1.45 mm for small bone and joint and 1.5 mm and 2.9 and 2.9 mm SP implant options for arthroscopic soft tissue repair. The JuggerLoop design includes a transfer loop of suture that shuttles the desired sutures or tapes to be loaded into the adjustable loop. Once this is done, the blue-black single tensioning strand will reduce the adjustable loop eyelet into the anchor. The 1.5 mm and 2.9 mm JuggerLoop utilizes the current Juggernaut instrumentation. The color coding simplifies suture management, effectively identifying the function of each strand. The single blue-black cinching zipping strand is notably distinguished from the white shuttle loop and the white-blue pull strand. The shuttle loop is white and is 2 inches long to help easily load the desired suture or tape repair strands into the anchor's adjustable loop. Desired sutures can be shuttled through the adjustable loop after anchor insertion or preloaded on the back table by manually feeding them through the adjustable loop. The JuggerLoop implants are available with or without OsseoCoat technology. OC JuggerLoop implants are identical to traditional uncoated JuggerLoop implants, but are designed with bioceramics embedded in the anchor portion of the device. The hydroxyapatite and bioceramic particles provide a surface coating that's comprised of materials with osteoconductive properties. In this animation, the 2.9 mm JuggerLoop size is being used. Place the 2.9 Juggernaut guides securely onto bone at the desired repair site. Drill the pilot hole with the appropriate JuggerLoop drill bit. Remove the drill and maintain precise guide position over the pilot hole. Insert the JuggerLoop soft anchor through the guide and into the pilot hole. Lightly mallet the inserter handle until laser etch line depth equals the top of the guide. Once the anchor has been fully seated into the humeral bone, lightly pull back on the anchor inserter handle to begin setting the anchor. Release the suture from the handle by removing the suture cap. Remove the anchor inserter and guide. Slowly pull on all sutures together to fully set the anchor. Load approximately 5 to 6 inches of sutures or tapes into the shuttle loop and pull opposite white-blue tape to shuttle strands into the adjustable loop of the anchor. The repair sutures will slide freely and then be utilized in the soft tissue repair. Pull on the single-strand blue-black zipping strands to cinch new repair strands into the anchor hole. The JuggerLoop device can also be used to secure soft tissue to bone directly utilizing the adjustable loop for suture staple type of repair.